Hello guys, I'm going to be using this Lego tank thing so I can blow it up using this normal TNT. And I will also be blowing this up. And for igniting the normal TNT, I'm going to be using match. So now time to start off with the normal match. The Lego tank. Okay. And for the second one, which is the lead holder, this should be amazing. The first one had a great outcome. Something's wrong. Having technical difficulties. Okay, it's been fixed, and we're all good to go. Okay, we're ready to go. That was good.